Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Kindroid AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so basically what we want to do is open up a web browser and go to kindroid.ai, and then you're going to come to a page that looks like this. Now from here, for the first time, you want to go ahead and click on that sign up for free button. So you can click on either one. I'm going to click on the one in the middle of the page. Now I've got the option to continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with email. I'm going to go ahead and continue with my Google account. So now a little pop-up should appear to choose your account. So go ahead and do that. Then once you've done that, come back to the page. So it's going to basically sign you up and sign you at the same time. Now from here, welcome. What should your Kindroid call you? So I'm going to make sure they call me tutorial, your birth date, your gender, then click next. Now if you've got a gift code, go ahead and put that in here. If you don't, just go ahead and click on to next again. And then from here, we can go ahead and create a Kindroid. So you can browse their community, feature Kindroid, search, or create your own Kindroid from scratch. So depending what you want to do, we can go ahead and create one of these if you would like. So scroll down, look at all the different ones you can use. So what I might do, I might go ahead and choose this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create for Becca. So by clicking finish, you agree to all the terms and privacy. You also acknowledge that all generated content on Kindroid should be considered fictitious and that you are fully responsible for any and all generated content. So go ahead and click on to finish. Now it's going to say welcome to Kindroid. You can go ahead and let them know where you found out about the app. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose other and continue to Kindroid. Now you're going to be on this page. So what we can do, we can go ahead and play their messages and they can speak to you here through here if you can't be bothered reading it yourself. And now we can speak to the droid as well after that. Now you can also use a microphone for voice chat if it is supported on your web browser, depending where you're talking to. Now, the AI remembers details you share, like your name, likes, or goals, so conversation can feel more personal over time. So the more you speak to them, the more personal it's going to become. Now, we can do a bit of customization inside of here. So if we go ahead and click onto that little image, we can upload an image for the background here. Now, if we scroll down, we can always use latest selfies in galleries. You can enable that if you like. We can have the default background. We've also got display settings, so we can have immersive focus balance, background brightness, and all that stuff here. So go ahead and save that. Now we've got your user profile. If we go ahead and click onto the icon here, we can go ahead and see their profile in like a social media type of way. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say, hey, how's your day been? So that's how you send messages to the droid. And now if we want to go ahead and view more, so we can favorite and historical messages, we can go to a date. We can favorite messages if you like. We've got thought bubbles. Now if we go ahead and navigate to the top left here, we've got 3 horizontal bars. So this is inside a setting, so we can subscribe to them if you like. You can click onto my Kindroid. So this is where all your Kindroids are going to appear here. We can create multiple ones. But as it states here, free users only have 2 Kindroid slots. So you can subscribe to get another 10 Kindroid slots by default and can purchase additional slots. So you subscribe there if you want to do something like that. We've got the general, we've got backstory. Also, we've got voice here. So if we click on the general, we can go ahead and play with the general settings. So we can autoplay audio. We've got light mode, text streaming. So text streaming lets you see the responses as it is generating. Turning it off will make responses appear all at once. Keep scrolling down here. Kindroid specific settings we can change and all that. And then you can go ahead and click save once you've saved that. And now if we go and click on backstory. So basically, strong influence on your Kindroid. The backstory describes Becca's past context and the relationship with you. Write in third person, use proper nouns, and be clear and concise. Subscribers get increased character cap with 2,500 for backstory. You can subscribe there. We've got responsive directive, key memories, example messages, journal entries. We can go ahead and look at Becca's journal here on another tab. So if there's any journals, they're going to keep it there. We've got the global journal as well. Go ahead and click save. Now if we go and click onto voice, so as a free user you have 4,145 audio characters remaining, so subscribers get monthly credit. So we can go ahead and choose a voice model, and we've got the voice selection, we've got custom voices, default voices inside of there. We can check out the avatar, so we can choose how your Kindroid looks. So we've got predefined or custom. We can generate an avatar if you like. You've got the option for photo real or anime. We've got you can describe the physical appearance here, max 800 characters, face detail, avatar boost, click save. We can explore more Kindroids, we can share, and this is where you can get referrals and also your user guide here.